one is voltage series feedback configuration. Voltage series feedback configuration. So this is the top part is the amplifier, and this one is the feedback network. So whatever I have represented inside the dashed lines, so that forms the feedback network, and this is our op amp. So this is the amplifier, and this is the feedback amplifier. So why it is voltage series? We are taking a sample of the output voltage. So here also the output voltage, if you observe, so between these two terminals, this terminal is straight away connected here, right? So this terminal is straight away connected here, right? And the other end of the resistor is connected to this network. One end is connected to the starting point of the network. The other end is connected to the other end of the network. So here also the voltage is same. We are sampling the output voltage, so that we are connecting in series. So this is the actual input voltage that we are applying. This is the actual input voltage that we are applying, right? So if you see, with respect to the input voltage, it is in series. It is in series. So here V1 is nothing but V in, right? V1 is nothing but it is the same voltage. And similarly, V2 you observe, V2 is nothing but there is no other element. Similarly here between V1 and at this non-inverting terminal and the input voltage, there is no other element present, right? As you can observe, right? And similarly between the inverting terminal and the point, this point, between this point, there is no element that is connected. So it is simply the same. So V2 is nothing but Vf. V2 is nothing but Vf. So here VID. What is VID? VID is nothing but the differential input voltage to the op amp. Differential input voltage to the op amp. So that is nothing but voltage at the non-inverting terminal. So plus terminal is called the non-inverting terminal. So that is V1 minus voltage at the inverting terminal. So voltage at the inverting terminal is nothing but V2. So V1 is nothing but V in minus, and V2 is nothing but Vf. So here we have to express Vf in terms of V0. So V0 is the voltage between these two nodes, voltage between this node. Actually, you can call this is as the output node, and this node is nothing but the ground. So because this is all common, right? And this everything is common. So there is no element we connected. So this entire thing is ground. So source also at one end we are connecting to the non-inverting terminal, the other terminal we are connecting to the ground. We connected to the ground. So what is Vf here? So this is a resistive network. Resistive network. Vf is nothing but the voltage across the resistor R1. So Vf, how we can express means Vf is nothing but the source or the voltage is for this network is from the output voltage. So it is V0 into, and Vf is the voltage across the Vf is nothing but V0, and Vf is the voltage across the resistor R1. So R1, and what are the resistors that are present here? these only the two resistors that are present. So sum of the two resistances. So R1 plus R. So VF. So this is the voltage. So output voltage, and we are giving a fraction of output voltage, not complete output voltage. We are giving to the V2, right? We are not giving, only we are taking a sample of the output voltage, sample of the output voltage, because it is R1 by R1 plus R, right? R1 plus RF. So this R1 by R1 plus RF is less than 1. So feedback voltage will be less than the output voltage, is less than the feedback voltage. And here we need to define the three parameters and our three gains. So A is the open loop voltage gain. A is the, when the op amp is not connected in feedback, A is the open loop voltage gain. So what is that relation? It is simply the output voltage by differential input voltage, right here. So the output voltage is V naught and the input voltage to the op amp is simply VID, right? So this is A is the open loop, A is the open loop voltage gain. A is the open loop voltage gain. A is the open loop voltage gain, right? Next, whereas AF is nothing but the ratio between the output voltage and the input that we are connecting here. The input, external input that we are connecting. So this input we are connected in loop, in this loop, right? So AF is nothing but V naught by V in. So this one is the closed loop voltage gain. Closed loop voltage gain. AF is the closed loop voltage gain. So whereas A is simply open loop voltage gain when the op amp is not connected in the closed loop. So whatever gain, it is nothing but simply output voltage to the differential input voltage. So whereas AF is nothing but the output voltage to the external input that we are connecting. And then we have another parameter called beta. So this is the feedback ratio. This is called feedback ratio. It is nothing but feedback ratio. So what is beta? It is nothing but VF by V naught. Beta is nothing but feedback voltage to the output voltage. So this is the feedback ratio. So from this, we have already VF is equal to V naught into R1 by R1 plus RF. So from this, what is beta? So beta, right? Beta is nothing but VF by V naught, VF by V naught. So this is simply R1 by R1 plus RF. R1 by R1 plus RF. So these are the three important parameters. One is the open loop voltage gain. Open loop voltage gain V naught by VID. So this is the open loop voltage gain. Our gain without feedback. Our gain without feedback. And the second parameter is AF. AF is nothing but closed loop voltage gain. This is also called gain with feedback. Gain with feedback. So this is V naught and this is V in, right? And then we have the feedback ratio beta VF by V naught, VF by V naught, right? So as you can observe, here, beta is less than 1. Beta is less than 1, right? So you observe when compared to numerator, in the numerator we have R1. So in the denominator, along with R1, we are adding something. Whatever may be the value of RF. Whatever may be the value of RF. So the denominator is more than the numerator. So that's why the feedback ratio is less than 1. So that's why the feedback voltage is not exactly V naught. It is less than V naught. It is less than V naught. Now we will derive the closed loop voltage gain. Now we will derive the closed loop voltage gain. We will derive the closed loop voltage gain. So what is closed loop voltage gain? Closed loop voltage gain is nothing but V naught by Vn. V naught by Vn. Now we have to find the ratio between V naught by Vn, right? So what is V naught? what is V0? V0 is nothing but, what is V0? V0 is nothing but A into VID, right? That is what we know. That is what we know. A, right? That is what we know. V0 is nothing but A into
My God, I
VID, right? A
really
into
love
VID. So what is VID? VID is nothing but V1 minus V2, right? VID is nothing but V1 minus V2. So what is V1 here? V1 is nothing but V in and V2 is nothing but Vf. So simply substitute A into what is V1? V1 is nothing but V in and what is V2? V2 is nothing but Vf, right? Vf, right? Now, so this is V naught. So A into V in. What is Vf? So Vf is nothing but V naught into R1 by R1 plus R. V naught into R1 by R1 plus R. Right? So we have started with the open loop gain equation, right? So V naught is equal to A times VID. But here, in place of V1, we have replaced with V in. V in is nothing but the input voltage, and Vf is nothing but V naught. Now you multiply. You multiply. So this will be A into V minus A into V naught into R1 by R1 plus Rf, right? So you take this term minus A V naught into R1 by R1 plus Rf to the other side. So to the left hand side. So what this will become? So this will become V naught plus A V naught into R1 by R1 plus Rf, that is equal to A times V in, right? So then take V naught common in this left hand side. So if you take V naught common, so this is simply 1 plus A into R1 by R1 plus RF. So that is equal to A into V in, A into V in. So what is the closed loop voltage gain or gain with feedback? It is nothing but ratio of output voltage by input voltage, right? So closed loop voltage gain is nothing but output voltage to the input voltage. So it is nothing but output voltage by actual input voltage we are applying. Actual input voltage we are applying. So from this, so what is this? So we have to take this side and this term we have to take the right hand side. So what it becoming? So AF is equal to A by 1 plus A into R1 by R1 plus RF, right? So this is the AF is nothing but the closed loop voltage gain. AF is nothing but the closed loop voltage gain or gain with feedback. Gain with feedback. So this is the, these two are for the non-inverting amplifier. For non-inverting amplifier. Why it is non-inverting amplifier? Why it is non-inverting amplifier? As you can see the diagram. So the input voltage we are applying to the non-inverting terminal, not to the inverting terminal. We are applying the input voltage. We are applying the input voltage to the non-inverting terminal of the op amp. So that is why it is non-inverting amplifier with feedback or closed loop non-inverting amplifier. Whereas this configuration, if you see, we are taking the sample of the output voltage that we are connecting in series with the input voltage. So that is why it is voltage series feedback configuration. In voltage series feedback configuration, the op-amp will operate in the non-inverting amplifier mode. Non-inverting amplifier mode. So what is the closed loop? Closed loop voltage gain. Closed loop voltage gain is nothing but AF is equal to A by 1 plus A into R1 by R1 plus RF. So here A is nothing but the open loop voltage gain. A is nothing but the open loop voltage gain, open loop voltage gain, open loop voltage gain. So AF is equal to A by 1 plus A into R1 by R1 plus RF. So this is the non-inverting amplifier gain. Non-inverting amplifier gain. So this we can write in this. What is R1 by R1 plus RF? So from this R1 by R1 plus RF is nothing but beta. So this we can also write as A by 1 plus A beta. So AF is equal to A by 1 plus beta. So in this way also we can express what is beta here. Beta is nothing but R1 by R1 plus RF, right? So this is for the exact expression. This is the exact expression. We didn't take any approximations, right? So you observe we didn't take any approximation. So we have started with the open loop voltage gain, right? V0 is equal to A times VAD. So VAD is nothing but V1 minus V2. V1 is nothing but simply Vin, and V2 is nothing but VF. In place of VF, we substituted V0 into R1 by R1 plus RF, and then we have taken V0 common, and then we have taken the ratio of V0 by Vin, right? So this is the non-inverting amplifier gain in closed loop configuration.
If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get latest video updates.